Former President Trump's first criminal trial is barreling towards its end. But first, the jurors must decide whether to trust Michael Cohen, prosecutor's star witness. A credible witness or a serial liar? That's the question that each of the 12 New Yorkers who are deciding Trump's fate must weigh as they listen to hours of testimony from Michael Cohen, Trump's ex-fixer and personal attorney who made the hush money payment that underpins the former president's charges. Over a day and a half, prosecutors got Cohen to directly implicate Trump in the scheme, having their star witness tell jurors about an Oval Office meeting, phone calls, and run-ins with Trump, in which Cohen says they discussed the $130,000 payment to porn actor Stormy Daniels in the lead-up to the 2016 election.
I need to open up a company for the transfer of all of that info regarding our friend David, so that I'm going to do that right away. I've actually come up and I've spoken to Alan Weisselberg about how to set the whole thing up with funding.
It marks the most damaging testimony to the former president in his trial yet. But when his lead defense attorney, Todd Blanche, got up to question Cohen, jurors heard a very different tale. For hours, Blanche questioned about times that Cohen has admitted to lying under oath, emphasizing Cohen's guilty pleas to federal crimes and portraying him as unreliable and giddy to see Trump convicted. In Blanche's most heated cross-examination of the trial yet, he accused Cohen of lying during his testimony, saying that his claims about a critical phone call with Trump were false. Cohen claims that he spoke to Trump on the phone in late October 2016 to inform him that the hush money deal with Daniels was being finalized. Phone records show a call between Cohen and Trump's bodyguard, Keith Schiller, and Cohen had told jurors that Schiller had passed the phone along to the former president. That was a lie, Blanche shouted at Cohen at one point, accusing him of never speaking to the former president that night. Blanche instead insisted that the call was to deal with something else, harassing phone calls that Cohen was reporting receiving at the time from a 14-year-old. Trump's attorney showed the jury texts of Cohen expressing those concerns to Schiller about the harassment, roughly when the alleged call about the hush money deal took place. Cohen eventually conceded that he might have discussed both items. It landed a punch that could damage Cohen's credibility in the eye of the jury. Cohen is expected to have less than a day left on the stand before he is excused as prosecutor's final witness. Then the defense will have a chance to put on their case, though it's not clear they'll call any witnesses. Then, closing statements could begin as soon as this coming week.